Hello everyone, welcome to MS Pharma Tutor. This is the continuation of the previous video, that is titration calculation. So starting with it, previously we have seen the steps that we have followed for such calculation, acid base titration calculation, and this was the problem statement that we had solved. And the another problem statement I had given you for solving, and now I will be discussing the same with you. So they have given that how many ml of 0.1 molar NaOH solution is needed to neutralize 15 ml of 0.2 molar of H3PO4 solution. Okay, so what was our first step? Our first step was to balance the reaction, that is NaOH. I have given this previously in my video of part 1 of titration calculation. So NaOH plus H3PO4 gives me Na3PO4 plus water. Okay, so neutralizing it, we got this reaction statement. Okay, so this is the complete balanced reaction of the problem statement. Now that we have completed the step 1, we need to write what all parameters are given to us so that it becomes easier to follow further steps. So that was volume, concentration, and number of moles. So volume is to be determined for NaOH. So this is to be determined, and then volume for H3PO4 is 15 ml. Concentration of NaOH is 0.1 molar as given, and concentration of H3PO4 is 0.2 molars, and we need to find 4 moles. Okay. Now, the second step is find moles of the known molecular component. So, like I have said you before, there is one formula for the same, that is concentration equals to moles by liter. Okay, now that you want to find for moles of the known molecular component, so you have to multiply the same, that is concentration into liters, which is equals to moles. Then concentration of the acid is 0.2 molars, and in liters if we see, then it is 0.015 ml, which in turns gives us 0.003 moles of H3PO4. So this second step has been established. Now about the third step. So in third step, we need to find the moles of unknown molecular component. So unknown molecular component is your volume, and this is our molecular solution, which is unknown. Okay. Now applying the concept of mole ratio for the unknown part, we will take this 0.03003 moles into 3 moles of unknown, 3 moles of unknown, that is NaOH, divide by 1 part of H3PO4 is needed for neutralizing the reaction. Therefore, we write as such. And then what we get, answer is 0.009 moles of NaOH. Here, now we need to solve our fourth parameter. So let's for now fill whatever we have got. So we have found for moles of H3PO4, that is 0.003 moles, and we had found for NaOH, that is 0.009 moles, and now we need to only find the volume. What can be the formula for the same? Yes, it is concentration equals to moles divided by liter. Okay, Then we need to find for volume. So it is moles by concentration. Okay. Moles by concentration equals to liter. Now for moles of unknown parameter is 0.009 divided by concentration is 0.1. So if we see here, the 0.09 ml, 0.09 ml of NaOH is required to neutralize the reaction, which is 90 ml. So here it is 90 ml. Easy. I hope you have came up with the same answer. If you have tried the problem in my previous video, do check my previous video for step-by-step introduction to this formula and mole ratio, etc. So if you have liked my content and if you found it was helpful, then please press the like button, subscribe to MS Farmer Tutor, press the bell icon for channel updates, and thank you so much for your attention. Thank you.